Hello everyone, my name is Anuradha from SKLTSHU. Off-season production of leafy vegetables under protected structures. At first we have removed the tall grown weeds in the polyhouse, and then we have done weeding on beds. Ploughing is done to loosen the soil. Trichoderma culture preparation. Requirements are trichoderma, FIM, jaggery, water and polythene sheet. Make a bed of FIM and level it. Spread trichoderma culture evenly on bed. Jaggery solution is prepared by mixing 1 kg of jaggery with 1000 liters of water. Apply jaggery solution uniformly on bed. Add second layer of FIM above the bed. Repeat the process to form 3 to 4 layers. After watering the bed, cover the bed with polythene sheet. Water the bed for every 3 days. The bed is prepared by mixing the soil with FIM, trichoderma, vermicompost and neem cake. For sowing we used palak, rosella, amaranthus, fenugreek and coriander seeds for sowing. Splitting of coriander seeds must be done before sowing. Lines are made on bed for sowing. After sowing, cover the seed with soil. After sowing, watering is given through rose cans. Seedlings of palak, amaranthus, methi and rosella. Overview of the field. Weeding is done for every 4 days. Neem oil is applied against insect pest. Harvesting of palak is done with the help of scissors. To maintain freshness, cover with a gunny bag. After beds are prepared, seedlings are transplanted with plant to plant distance of 30 centimeters. The following nutrients are applied for proper growth and flower development. Fertigation is given according to the schedule. In trellising, the main plant is allowed to grow on thread to encourage side shoots. They become ready to harvest after 40 days of sowing. Seedlings are transplanted by maintaining 40 centimeters of plant distance. Irrigation is given for every 4 days. Fertigation schedule is followed for flower development. Fruit fly lures are installed in field. Harvesting is done after 45 to 50 days of sowing.